I decided to do a snow video. It is currently like, let's see what the temperature is right now. 24 degrees. 24 degrees and snowing. Well, yeah, something like that. 24 degrees, there you go. But I decided I would take out my drone today and try to fly it and see what it's like in the snow. So, hey guys, remember to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Peace out.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey guys, seriously, I hope you enjoyed that video. Turn on your notifications for videos because I'm actually going to be going to Las Vegas this weekend with my girlfriend, and I'm going to be flying my drone out there. Really excited to get some awesome cinematic sunsets and shots out there. Been missing those sunsets that we have in Arizona now that I've been out here in Denver in the cold. And also keep a watch for my 25th in May. We're going to be going to New York City. Me and you guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good week. Bye.